Hey everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI, and these are my Supla artificial eucalyptus stems. They are really realistic. I've tried a bunch of different ones and they were not close at all. I like the leaf. The leaf itself has all of the veins just like normal eucalyptus and that whitish hue, and these are fabric leaves. And then you also have the nice green attachment. So it's not yellow, it's not lime green, it's just a nice green that blends in. What's great about these stems is that you can actually reshape them. So they have the wire in the inside, so it's really easy if you want to bend them or whatever, make a garland out of them, then it's really easy to bend them and they stay in that shape. They're just really pretty stems. They have a nice natural color. They're not like a weird green. They are actually a natural eucalyptus green. So if you are looking for great artificial eucalyptus stems for whatever your project is, I highly recommend these by Supla, but that's just my point of view.